Hey guys, welcome to Watkins Way. Today we're going to make a family recipe. I believe it was my daughter Ashley's recipe. It's called rice butter chicken. If it's not her recipe, when my other daughters, Tracy and Nicole, watch this, pretty sure I'll find out whose recipe it is. But we're going to use boneless, skinless chicken breast. We're going to use 2 boxes, 6-ounce boxes of Uncle Ben's wild rice. Don't get the fast cook kind, just get the original, the regular rice. And we're going to use 1 packet of French onion mix, 1.5 cups of water, and then I just took 2 chicken breasts and kind of cut them up in pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to add our, almost forgot, we're going to add a stick of butter that I've melted. So we're going to pour the water into the casserole dish. Then we're going to take our onion soup mix, and I'm going to add about 3/4 of the onion soup mix in here. No, actually I'm going to add all of it in. I was going to do something different. I was going to do it the Watkins way, but no, I'm not going to do that. Then we're going to add our wild rice. So all you got to do is just pour it in here like this. And we're going to do one more, 2 boxes. These are 6-ounce, 2 6-ounce boxes. And just make sure you get the Uncle Ben's original. So we're just going to mix this up. It's really good. The Uncle Ben's rice, the stick of butter. And then we got our seasoning from the rice. Open up and then just sprinkle the seasoning in like this. All right. Then we're going to take this seasoning. We're going to do something different. We're going to do it the Watkins way. What I like to do, and I kind of experimented with this, and it makes the chicken taste better, it makes it look better when you take it out of the oven. So I add the seasoning into the stick of melted butter, just like that, and then I'm going to mix it up. And I got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. We're going to put it in the oven for 45 minutes. We're going to bring it out, uncover it, put it back in the oven for 15 minutes, and we're done. So anyway, here's my chicken breast. I'm just going to place these in here any way you want it. You don't have to, there's no certain order. And put one over here. Put this guy, put him over here in the corner. Now let me show you what I like to do. Here's the reason I like to do this. I like to pour this right over the chicken. And it kind of cooks into the chicken. And I think it makes it better, but it's the Watkins way. I don't know if my daughters are going to approve of this or not when they see it, but that's okay. Then we're going to cover it with foil. All right, so I got this all sealed up really good. And let's put it in the oven for 45 minutes. All right, our timer went off. I took it out after 45 minutes. I took the foil off, set the timer again for 15 minutes. So let's check our chicken. And yeah, it looks pretty good. All right. See, the reason I did that, I held back some of the seasoning from the wild rice and mixed it in with the melted butter and put it on top. This is pretty good, so I'm going to take a piece of chicken, put it over here, a little bit of rice. Look at this rice. This is all just butter and seasoning. Butter and seasoning. Uncle Ben's wild rice. All right, boys and girls, here's our Uncle Ben's wild rice. Let's cut into this. Cut right into the center. I'm going to show you that it's totally done. Right there. And I'm going to take a little end piece, take a bite of it. Hey, Roxy, what's up? You want a bite? Huh? You want a bite, Roxy? Here. Hey guys, you got to make this. This is delicious. It's really good. I did it the Watkins way by putting this stuff on top. I don't think my daughter did it that way, but it's great. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Comments, good or bad. Send me the good ones. Keep the bad ones to yourself. Just kidding. Talk to you later. Bye guys.